I'm Josh Anderson, Director of Assistive Technology for the INDATA Project at Easterseals Crossroads. Today, Blake Allee, our demonstration and loan lead, is going to show us the C-Pen Reader 3.
Hi, my name is Blake Allee. I'm the Demo and Loan Lead with the INDATA Project at Easterseals Crossroads. And today I will be showing you the C-Pen Reader 3. The C-Pen Reader 3 is primarily made for individuals with reading difficulties, maybe some learning differences, and just people that need support to access printed text. Maybe students with dyslexia, that's a major thing, and just people that may have a hard time remembering what words mean as well. So I'll show you a couple of features on here. This is going to be the main touch screen of the C-Pen. You're going to start with the reader. What the reader does is when you scan text, it will read the text out loud. So I'll click on that and
text reader mode. Scan to listen.
Scan some
Press
text here.
for options.
I'll just use the box for the C-Pen Reader 3. And then it brings it up on the screen there, and then I just press this button here.
A reading pen with multiple dictionaries.
So basically you just scan the text and then you can have it read back out loud to you. We don't need to keep that. So. All right, and then
press OK to select or write for other options.
Next up we have a couple of different options. The dictionary, that's going to be if you have a word that you are, if you're unaware of what it is or you don't know what it means, you can use the dictionary feature to scan that word and it will give you a brief description of what that word means. You have translate. Oop, go back there. The translation is basically if you scan, let's say you scan Spanish and you want it to translate to English, you can just use that feature there. The record button is going to be simply that. If you wanted to record some audio notes, you can press this record option here and it will just record a simple memo or whatever you want to record. If you do record something and you want to save that, it can go into your library here. And that will be just where all your saved files are. Practice is going to be the words that you scanned with the dictionary that you had that you didn't remember, you didn't know. Just kind of keeps those all in one place for you. And then the settings are going to be, of course, where you change things like the volume, you can change the brightness, you can change a couple other options like that, but it's going to be pretty simple what you can change in there for the most part. But yeah, so that's going to be the C-Pen Reader 3, and we now have that in our library.
Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the INDATA Project at Easterseals Crossroads in Indiana.